Have you ever felt frustrated because, no matter what you try, your body just isn't responding the way it used to? And what if I told you that the solution to erectile dysfunction might not be found in the usual places? What if the real cause was hiding in plain sight, in a part of your life you've never considered? Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a challenge that millions of men face, yet it's often misunderstood. For many, it's an embarrassing topic that feels too personal to talk about openly. You might feel like you're the only one dealing with this, but the truth is, you're not alone. The problem isn't just a reflection of aging or a sign of stress, it's often your body's way of telling you something crucial is out of balance. But here's the thing, you've probably been looking for answers in all the wrong places. What if your performance issues weren't just about what's happening in the bedroom, but rather an indicator of your overall health? What if there were deeper forces at work, hidden drivers behind the scenes, affecting your body's ability to function the way it should? What if I told you that the real culprit behind ED could be connected to your digestive system, your hormone levels, or even the quality of your sleep? These things seem unrelated at first glance, but science shows they're directly linked. For instance, when your gut is inflamed or unhealthy, it affects the production of critical hormones needed for sexual performance. Similarly, stress, a factor we all deal with, can disrupt your body's ability to produce the right hormones at the right time. But it gets even more interesting. Could a simple deficiency in vitamins or minerals be the missing piece of the puzzle? What if balancing your blood sugar levels or even just tweaking your daily habits could help restore your vitality and confidence? We're talking about natural, practical solutions that get to the root of the problem, instead of masking it with pills or temporary fixes. This isn't just about managing the symptoms. It's about unraveling the complex web of factors, both physical and emotional, that contribute to ED. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the underlying causes but you'll also discover practical steps to regain control and restore balance to your body. Let's face it, ED isn't just a physical issue, it's deeply emotional. It impacts your confidence, your relationships, and even your mental health. When you feel like your body is failing you, it's easy to start questioning your self-worth. That's why so many men silently struggle, feeling stuck in a cycle of frustration and doubt. But here's the kicker. While it's easy to think the problem is isolated to the bedroom, it's linked to much broader issues. Stress from work, a poor diet filled with processed foods, lack of proper sleep, and even too much time sitting can all have a cascading effect on your sexual health. Studies show that men with chronic stress or who suffer from poor gut health are more likely to experience ED. Think about it. How many times have you reached for a quick fix, hoping for instant results, only to be left disappointed? The truth is, no magic pill will solve the problem long term. But that doesn't mean there isn't hope. Now, let's talk solutions. Real, lasting solutions that don't involve relying on medications that only provide temporary relief. Imagine shifting your approach to focus on natural healing. What if the answer lies in the foods you eat, the way you move your body, and even how you manage stress? 1. The role of gut health. Believe it or not, your gut plays a significant role in hormone production and overall health. 1. Inflammation in the gut can interfere with testosterone levels, causing imbalances that directly impact sexual function. 1. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet could be a game changer. 2. Balancing hormones naturally. Hormonal imbalances are often overlooked as a cause of ED, but they're crucial. Cortisol, the stress hormone, can inhibit testosterone production. By reducing stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or even just mindful breathing, you can naturally reduce cortisol levels and boost testosterone. 3. Diet and nutrient deficiencies. A diet rich in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats can support better circulation and enhance performance. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D are critical nutrients often lacking in modern diets, but they play a vital role in hormonal balance and sexual health. 4. Exercise and circulation. Exercise isn't just about staying in shape. Physical activity, particularly strength training and cardiovascular exercises, can improve blood flow, lower stress levels, and boost natural hormone production, all of which contribute to better sexual function. 5. Sleep is a pillar of recovery. You might not think sleep is related to ED, but it's one of the most important pillars of recovery. Now that we've uncovered the underlying factors contributing to erectile dysfunction, stress, hormonal imbalances, poor gut health, and nutrient deficiencies, it's time to shift our focus to the practical steps you can take to reverse these issues. But remember, this isn't about trying a single magic bullet. It's about making small but significant changes that address the root causes. The beauty of natural healing is that it not only targets the symptoms but also improves your overall health. And once you restore balance in your body, everything else falls into place, including your sexual performance. So, how exactly do you make these changes? What are the natural, science-backed methods that can help you overcome erectile dysfunction for good? Solution 1. Healing from the inside out. Gut health. Let's start with your gut, often referred to as the second brain. If your gut health is compromised, your body may not absorb the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. This can lead to inflammation, poor blood flow, and hormonal imbalances, all of which contribute to ED. Here's what you can do. 1. Incorporate probiotics and prebiotics. Start by adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir to your diet. 1. These foods help to nourish your gut's beneficial bacteria, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthier internal environment. 1. Prebiotics, found in foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus, also feed the good bacteria in your gut. 2. Cut down on processed foods. Highly processed foods can wreak havoc on your digestive system. 2. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, to give your gut the nutrients it needs to thrive. 3. Reduce inflammatory foods. Foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation that affects both your gut and your overall hormonal balance. 3. Avoiding these foods can help improve not only your digestion, but also your testosterone levels and blood flow. A solution 2. Restoring hormonal balance. Hormones are the key to everything when it comes to performance. Testosterone, in particular, is vital for sexual health, and when it's out of balance, ED becomes more likely. But here's the good news. You can naturally balance your hormones without resorting to synthetic treatments. Here's what you can do. 1. Reduce stress levels. Chronic stress causes your body to produce excess cortisol, which interferes with testosterone production. Consider incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even daily walks in nature to help reduce stress and lower cortisol levels. 2. Adaptogenic herbs. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, maca root, and ginseng have been shown to help regulate stress hormones and boost testosterone levels naturally. 2. Adding these herbs to your routine in the form of teas, powders, or supplements can be a simple and effective way to support your hormonal balance. 3. Healthy fats. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so including healthy fats in your diet is essential. 3. Foods like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish help provide the necessary building blocks for hormone production. Solution 3. The power of movement. Exercise and circulation. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools you have to improve circulation, boost energy, and enhance sexual health. By increasing blood flow throughout your body, you can help support healthy erections and improve your overall cardiovascular function. Here's what you can do. 1. Focus on strength training. Resistance exercises, like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, help increase testosterone levels and improve blood flow to the pelvic area. 1. Aim for a combination of upper and lower body exercises to maximize circulation and hormone production. 2. Cardio for circulation. Incorporating cardiovascular exercises like jogging, cycling, or swimming at least 3-4 times per week improves heart health and circulation, which are crucial for sexual performance. 2. Even a brisk walk can make a difference. 3. Pelvic floor exercises. Known as Kegel exercises, these movements strengthen the muscles that control erections. 3. Stronger pelvic muscles can improve your ability to maintain an erection and enhance overall sexual function. Solution 4. Reclaiming vitality through sleep. Sleep is one of the most underrated factors when it comes to hormonal health. Poor sleep patterns can disrupt testosterone production, increase cortisol levels, and diminish your energy and libido. Prioritizing quality sleep is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your sexual health. Here's what you can do. 1. Create a sleep routine. Establish a consistent bedtime and wake-up time to regulate your body's internal clock. 1. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to give your body time to recover and rebuild hormone levels. 2. Reduce screen time before bed. Blue light from screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. 2. Limiting screen time at least an hour before bed can help improve the quality of your sleep. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark to promote deeper sleep. 3. Consider blackout curtains, white noise machines, or sleep masks if needed. Solution 5. Nutrition for sexual health. Lastly, let's talk about the power of nutrition in supporting sexual health. What you eat directly impacts your circulation, hormone levels, and overall vitality. Here's what you can do. 1. Boost nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is crucial for vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which allows more blood to flow to the penis. 1. Foods like beets, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. 2. Increase zinc and magnesium. Zinc is essential for testosterone production, while magnesium supports relaxation and healthy blood pressure. 2. Foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and almonds are rich in these critical nutrients. 3. Antioxidants for blood flow. Antioxidants help protect blood vessels and improve circulation. 3. Berries, dark chocolate, and green tea are great sources of antioxidants that can support your cardiovascular health and enhance sexual performance. The holistic path to reversing ED. So, what's the bottom line? Erectile dysfunction isn't just about performance issues, it's your body's way of signaling that something is out of balance. The key to overcoming it lies in taking a holistic approach, one that addresses not just the symptoms but the root causes. By making small, consistent changes in your diet, exercise routine, stress management, and sleep habits, you can restore your body's natural balance. This isn't about quick fixes or temporary solutions. It's about reclaiming control over your health and building a foundation for lasting vitality. Remember, healing takes time, but the results are worth it. Imagine feeling more confident, more energetic, and more in tune with your body. You don't need to rely on artificial solutions when your body already has everything it needs to heal itself. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on natural healing and wellness.